The 2023 Lamborghini Urus isn't simply an intriguing SUV wearing a supercar identification, it's a supercar with a SUV shell. In addition to the fact that that is clear by its twin-super 4.0-litre V8, that makes 657 drive, yet in addition by its gob-smacking execution on popular circuits, for example, the new Performante model that broke the Pikes Pinnacle SUV record. Lighter and racier, that recently acquainted variation supports Lamborghini's responsibility with guaranteeing the Urus satisfies the brand's outlandish family. On the uncommon events it's presently flaunting its intricate bodywork or beating nearly all the other things out and about, this high-riding Lambo is the main thing in the display area that can pull a trailer and take more than two, possible exceptionally rich, individuals. While its $250,000 cost puts it far off for the greater part of us simple humans, and its inside isn't quite so unique as it ought to be for a particularly colossal total, there's as of now no other SUV like the 2023 Urus. What's happening for 2023? The Urus sees an increase in execution for the 2023 model year with the presentation of the new S and Performante variations. Pull ascends by 16 to 657 horses. The Performante rides on an unexpected suspension in comparison to the base S, one that has steel springs rather than air springs and sits 0.8 inches lower than typical. The Performante is likewise accessible with unique shoes as 23-inch wheels with Pirelli P0 Trofeo R tires, size 285/40 R22 front and 325/235 R22 back. While it actually has a powerful control weight of 5,200 pounds, Lamborghini says the Performante is pounds lighter than the Urus S because of the expansion of carbon fiber bodyboards and the evacuation of sound-stifling materials, among other weight reduction measures. The 2023 model year likewise brings upgraded front and back sides, alongside another decent spoiler over the liftgate for the Performante, which additionally includes explicit seats and extraordinary inside trim. Estimating and which one to purchase. Of course, we could save about $35,000 by picking the standard issue Urus S, yet that implies we'd likewise pass up its greatest execution. That is the reason we need the new for 2023 Performante, which includes a lower suspension with firmer steel springs, hoard weight decrease measures, and that's only the tip of the iceberg. We decide on the bigger 23-inch wheels, as well, with the course-prepared Pirelli P0 Trofeo R elastic. Once more, the mission is max execution. Motor, transmission, and execution. Each of the 2023 Urus models are controlled by a 657 horsepower twin-turbocharged 4.0-litre V8. The motor burbles profoundly while sitting, and totally cries under max speed. Extremely durable all-wheel drive and an 8-speed programmed transmission scheme with all that ability to empower incredible speed increase. In our testing, the Urus went from soared to 60 miles per hour in 3.1 seconds and destroyed the quarter mile in 11.3 seconds at 121 miles per hour. In like manner, Lamborghini gauges a maximum velocity of 190 miles per